Hey, Treasure Coast Mermaid here, and I just ordered about a week ago a flower crown from Mermaid Marina. You can find her on Instagram, Clearwater's Favorite Mermaid, and you can also find her on Etsy, Fins Up Mermaid. But she just started making these, and she just posted them on her Etsy account. I'm really excited. It just came in the mail today, so let's get started. And I wore one of these crowns of hers in my recent photo shoot when we went to Alexander Springs together. And I just had to have one of my own. It is cat. There's my cat. There's my cat. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, let's take a closer look at it. Look at it. The pinks and the whites. Little dangly things. It is awesome. Oh my gosh, she even put little jewels on it. Shells in the middle of the flowers. So cool. It's awesome. Great. Thank you so much. I am so excited. Yeah, they're great. Please check her out on her Etsy account and her Instagram. She makes beautiful crowns and seashell bras. She's awesome. Thank you so much. I am so in love with it.